Hello everyone, welcome back to your YouTube channel Skills, the place where you explore the latest and coolest tech in the world of electronics and technology. I'm your host Vinay Joshi, and today we are having something that I want to do from a long time. We are creating a Raspberry Pi camera module case design in Onshape and 3D print that using my Ender 3 S1 Pro printer using PLA material. So let's get started. So here I open the Onshape and already designed the case for Raspberry Pi. You can get my STL file from my account. Now I'm exporting it so that I can slice it using a slicer. I open a slicer, Clarity Slicer, opening the STL file. Let's slice it and let's see how printer needs to go on a print here. So let's drag and drop the slicer. How many slicing we have? Once slicer it done, open your printer and let's send this file to a printer using I have connected the OctoPrint, and this is my time lapse of the designing. These are the multiple print I take before this print, so this is not a final print. So the last one is a final print. So you can see over here I have a multiple print. So let's fit the case over the Raspberry Pi camera module. Let's add the cover as well, and I can see it fitting perfectly fine. I can test it by seeing it, all way it should be close enough. Now I can see it's probably you can mount it on any Raspberry Pi using a two-sided tape. Thank you for joining for this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. We will join it again. Bye.